So today we're going to be doing just like a really quick unboxing. It's going to be very short. Alright, so hey everybody, it's Malle and I'm back today for another video. So first off, I want to thank you all that are coming back and that have come back and that are still supporting and still watching and still hitting that like button. So today we're going to be doing just like a really quick unboxing. It's going to be very short. This is my very first purchase ever from Louis Vuitton. So I initially wanted to purchase this really cute bag. I post a picture of it here. A lot of people ended up buying it. It's basically a bag where it's like the darker brown LV monogram on one side, and then on the other side it's got the lighter brown shade. So I just thought that was really cool that you could wear it either way whenever you go out. But when I decided to purchase it, they were already sold out. And also this was actually kind of inspired by another YouTuber. So there's a YouTuber that I've been following and her channel is Life with Loki. That is her name on YouTube. She kind of inspired me to kind of get into, I mean, I was a little bit into scarves prior to, like you all have seen a couple of clips or a couple of pictures that I posted on Instagram where I've had like a scarf on. It was like a pink and orange scarf, and I also have like a red, white, and blue scarf. But anyway, I kind of had a couple of scarves, you know, here and there, but she made me want to invest in like buying scarves for like dressing up. So like if you have a business casual event, or like if I'm going to work and I kind of want to step my outfit up a little, you know, just a couple notches, whatever, then, you know, I have a scarf that I can like tie around my neck, or if I wanted to, you can tie it around the handle of a bag or something like that. So thank you, Life with Loki. I know she wasn't expecting a shout out, but anyway, this will be my first purchase from Louis Vuitton, and so we're just gonna proceed in opening it. See that there's this adhesive at the top, so I'm guessing that to return it, then you could always just use the same box and then just kind of peel that sticker off and then close the box up, and you could return it that way. So opens up here. It's like your receipt, your packaging label, and just kind of information about how to exchange and return. So that is this here. This is all of our receipt and all of our return information. So that's nice and neatly packaged. And then this is our box here. Open it. All right, and so this is the twilly, is what they call them. This is a twilly that I purchased. It's really pretty. It's very like, I didn't order a lot. Like I said, I wanted that bag really badly, but I decided to go ahead and try to like get scarves and things like that to kind of wear, as opposed to getting a bag right now. I'll be saving for a bag, and hopefully when I'm able to buy it, or when I'm ready to buy it, it'll be available. But this is it right here. I love roses and my mom loves roses as well. So of course this has roses on it. So these are like red and yellow, and it's just very pretty. And then as you all can see, it is reversible. So it's got the monogram on this side, red and white, and then it has that nice little detail, that nice little touch there with the different flowers on it, which is really nice. This can of course like go around your neck if you want it, and just kind of tie it up here. It can go on your head if you want it like a headband kind of thing. If you have a bag that has like the smaller handles on it, you could wrap this around the handles just to add a pop of color to it. And you know, you can just kind of dress this up or use it to dress up a little bit. So that is why I got this. I will definitely be posting a link down below to this, just in case anybody was interested in it. It is called the Malle Fleurs Rouge. Malle Fleurs Rouge. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah.